Hello everyone. Uh, I'm Apurva Shukla and I will be teaching you development communication. Development communication is a very interesting subject. Is a which actually use the communication which can be used for development schemes, communicating for the sustainable development and etc. You would be actually knowing about it in a further classes as well. This basically the first unit is all concerned about the basics of development, that what is a basic definition of development, then there are theories and paradigms and what are the ingredients of the development, basic needs model, and then some of the social and economic indicators. Then there are some other indicators as well. Then there is millennium development goals as well. Later on you will be studying second unit, which is related with the concepts and theories which are very important in development communication. Then the third unit actually concerned about the media and development. What is cyber media and development, e-governance, digital democracy, e-chopal, music, drama, dance, puppetry, street plays, all the different types of mass media basically. Then there would be some case studies, and the fourth unit is related to the communication in different Indian perspectives basically. That is communication for the urban development, then tribal development, panchayati raj, rural culture, etc. Okay, then the development communication also inculcates health communication also, because we are the communication or the media which we use for the societal development. Okay, so in that also we go for in that basically we use health communication also, like in Nukkad Natak and all. We actually go for society development or the theories, using various ideas to aware public. Not the basic what we are seeing on the television is not a development communication. Okay. This topic actually covers what is definition, meaning and process of development. Development, the previous writings and perceptions on development are by economists. The definition often starts with economic development. Economic development can be defined as the process of increasing the real per capita income of the country, period of time accompanied by a channel in its structure and institution. Qualitative perspective, economic perceptions on development have been criticized. Real development is required, therefore a process involving a number of qualitative changes must be taken into account and defined and to measure the development. The limitations of economic perceptions, as per the scholars, development as the process involves not only changes in the economic structure, it is interlinked with the entire social, political, cultural fabric of the society. Okay. For traditional method of measuring development, we actually go for per capita gross national product, the GNP. Okay, very important. The limitations of the GNP as measure of the development. As you read, it is based on national income stats. It is an average and does not say much about the structure of the production or distribution of national income. Progress in a narrow sector like natural resources, exports, oil, mineral, timber might show high per capita income in countries like Kuwait and Trinidad, but by no stretch of imagination can these countries be considered 10 times more developed than India. No, per capita income may increase even in the face of increasing unemployment. What are the characteristics of development? As you read, high levels of living, high levels of productivity, low or no population growth, the predominance of industrial or non-agricultural activities. So this was all about the development basically. Then we go for development communication also. In the further video lecture, you would be reading or you would be learning about development communication. What are the various types of the theories which are used in development communication? It is much different from what you have read in the first semester, the communication. The theories and models are pretty different in development communication.